Good morning, it's Douglas from RAIZOR bringing you the latest AI news for today, Monday, February 3rd, 2025. First up, here's an overview of today's highlighted topic on our blog. Are AI tutors the future of learning and work? The article discusses Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang's advocacy for widespread adoption of AI tutors. Huang positions AI tutors as essential tools that can enhance learning and productivity while working alongside humans rather than replacing them. He emphasizes their potential to democratize education by providing personalized, accessible learning experiences across various subjects. The piece explores both benefits and concerns of AI tutoring technology. Benefits include personalized learning experiences, adaptable teaching methods, and improved access to education. However, concerns exist around job displacement, algorithmic bias, data privacy, and the potential to widen the digital divide if access isn't equitable. The article outlines several business applications, including subscription-based tutoring platforms, corporate training tools, and AI coaching services for educators. The article concludes by emphasizing the importance of balancing innovation with responsibility as AI tutoring technology develops. It suggests that while AI tutors represent significant opportunities for educational advancement, careful consideration must be given to equity and ethical concerns to ensure these tools benefit society as a whole. You can read the full blog post at razor.co/blog. Now let's get into today's news. OpenAI introduced Deep Research, a new ChatGPT capability that performs comprehensive web research and generates detailed reports with citations in under 30 minutes. The feature is currently available exclusively to Pro subscribers at $200 per month, with a limit of 100 queries monthly. The service demonstrated strong performance by achieving 26.6% on humanities last exam, though it remains unavailable in the United Kingdom, Switzerland, and European Union. This tool could revolutionize how research analysts and business intelligence teams gather market insights, enabling faster and more comprehensive competitive analysis reports. OpenAI has launched O3 Mini, a new model focused on scientific, technical, engineering, and mathematical reasoning capabilities. The model delivers 24% faster responses while operating at 63% lower cost compared to previous versions. Users can adjust the model's reasoning effort, with Pro users receiving unlimited access and Plus subscribers getting 150 messages daily. For technical teams and engineering departments, this tool could provide more efficient problem-solving capabilities while maintaining better cost control. The European Union has begun enforcing its Artificial Intelligence Act, categorizing AI systems into 4 risk levels: minimal, limited, high, and unacceptable. Companies failing to comply may face fines up to €35 million or 7% of annual revenue. More than 100 companies have already voluntarily committed to following the regulations. For compliance officers and legal teams, understanding and implementing these regulations will be crucial for maintaining business operations in European markets. Microsoft has created the Advanced Planning Unit to study the broader implications of artificial intelligence technology. The unit will focus on investigating how AI affects society, health systems, and workplace dynamics. This initiative demonstrates Microsoft's commitment to responsible AI development and implementation. Human resource managers and organizational development teams could utilize the unit's findings to better prepare for AI-driven workplace transformations. Waymo is extending its robotaxi testing program to 10 additional cities throughout 2025. Initial expansion will begin in San Diego and Las Vegas. This marks a significant scaling of Waymo's autonomous vehicle operations. Transportation and logistics managers could use this expansion to plan for future integration of autonomous vehicles into their fleet operations. The Beatles' song Now and Then has won the Grammy Award for Best Rock Performance. This marks the first time an AI-restored track has received this prestigious recognition. The achievement demonstrates the potential of AI technology in music restoration and production. Media production companies and music studios could leverage similar AI restoration techniques to revitalize archived content and create new revenue streams. Google has spun out Heritable Agriculture, focusing on using artificial intelligence for crop breeding enhancement. The startup aims to improve crop yields through advanced AI analysis and prediction models. This development represents a significant step forward in applying AI to agricultural science. Agricultural businesses and food production companies could utilize these AI-driven breeding techniques to optimize crop production and increase yield efficiency. Those are the most important AI news articles for today. Want the links from these podcasts as well as all the latest tools and various new jobs in the AI sector? Join the newsletter at RAIZOR.co and get in touch to learn how to cut costs, boost revenue, and accelerate your business growth with AI-powered automations.